Someone once said, you can't live the same year 75 times and call it a life. At some point, you need to follow your dreams. At some point, you need to get up and literally do what you want to do. Doing the same thing over and over and over and over again. Are you really living? So here's my thing, right? I feel like everyone has a dream. Now, some of us know our dreams, some of us don't. But I don't think your dreams are straight up in your face. Sometimes there's something at the back of your head, you know you want to do it, you just never get around to doing it. You care, but maybe it's not financially there for you, so you're always going the other way, right? You do everything that the world has set up for you to do, right? So they say to you, look, you gotta go to school, and after you go to school, you need to, I don't know, graduate and be a doctor, XYZ, boom boom. So you do all that, forgetting that what you really want to do, I don't know, is be an artist, be, I don't know, a painter, be something else. That's really where your passion is, right? But you never do it. At some point in life, you need to stop. You need to stop and think, what do I actually want to do, right? And then obviously when you figure that out, because it's never going to be straight up, a lot of people, I mean, to some people, yeah, they're born and they know what they want to do, but for most of us, you need to figure out what it is that you really want to do. Now when you figure that out, you need to get on your high horse and go. You need to go and follow your dreams, right? Because the world is set up in a way where if you don't make a choice, the choice will almost make you. It's guaranteed. There's no ifs, buts, maybes. The choice will make you. If you don't want, I put it this way, right? You need to make money. So you need to earn a living, right? You need to earn a living for you, for your family, for your mom, for whoever it is that you need to earn a living for, right? If you don't earn a living while doing something you want to do, you will earn a living doing something you don't want to do. The choice is yours. You literally, I mean, a lot of times it's taking a risk, but you gotta take a risk and you gotta do what needs to be done. You need to follow your dreams. You can't give up. You can't be scared. Get up and follow the dreams. Till next time, Andrew SB. Subscribe and like and share the whole lot.